Today we are going to start a new topic, respiration. What is respiration? The process of taking oxygen into the cell, oxidation of food with this oxygen and release of carbon dioxide and energy is called respiration. Okay. Respiration is a biochemical process. Respiration is a biochemical process. Intake of oxygen from the environment, release of energy and carbon dioxide. Therefore, we repair to get energy. Respiration is two main types. What types of respiration? Two main types of respiration. Aerobic respiration, anaerobic respiration. What are aerobic and anaerobic respiration? Glucose is completely oxidized and glucose is uncompletely oxidized. Aerobic respiration, glucose is completely oxidized, and anaerobic respiration, glucose is incompletely oxidized. Okay. Aerobic respiration, more energy is produced. Anaerobic respiration, very little energy is produced. Okay. Look at the aerobic respiration. Breakdown of glucose to release energy in the presence of oxygen. Breakdown of glucose, release energy in the presence of oxygen. Glucose in the presence of oxygen, carbon dioxide plus water plus energy. Anaerobic respiration, breakdown of glucose to release energy in the absence of oxygen. Absence of oxygen doing process anaerobic respiration, and presence of oxygen doing aerobic respiration. Okay. Now today I only teach plant respiration. In respiration of plant. Respiration in plant. Plant repair like all other organism. Plant cell uses glucose and oxygen and release carbon dioxide, water and energy. प्लांट में रेस्पिरेशन जब होता है तो वो क्या क्या लेते हैं, हम जो कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड छोड़ते हैं वो ले लेते हैं और हमारे लिए ऑक्सीजन रिलीज करते हैं. ओके. प्लांट ड्यूरिंग टू टाइम ऑफ रेस्पिरेशन इन डिफरेंट ड्यूरिंग डे टाइम एंड नाइट टाइम. ओके. Carbon dioxide released by respiration is used for photosynthesis and oxygen produced during photosynthesis is for respiration. Day time में जो प्लांट होते हैं वो ऑक्सीजन रिलीज करते हैं और at night plant also take oxygen from the atmosphere and give out carbon dioxide. Do not have respiratory organ to obtain oxygen from the atmosphere. At night time mostly plant release carbon dioxide. Okay. Each plant do not have respiratory organ to obtain oxygen from the atmosphere. Each part of plant can independently take in oxygen from the surrounding. Transport of gas in plant take place by the process of diffusion only. Different parts of plant have different method of obtaining oxygen and releasing carbon dioxide. In leaves, in stem, in roots. The leaves have tiny pores called stomata. The exchange of gases in leaves occur through the tiny pores. In stem, young stem have stomata as in leaf. In old woody stem, depend below the break for glucose exchange. In root hair extend into air space present between the soil particles and take up oxygen from there. Leaves जो होती हैं उसमें छोटे छोटे पोर्स होते हैं जिसको स्टोमेटा बोलते हैं. वो उससे रेस्पिरेशन होता है प्लांट में. स्टेम में भी होता है और रूट्स में भी होता है. रूट्स की जो छोटे छोटे हेयर्स होते हैं वो सॉइल से यूज़फुल पार्टिकल्स को लेते हैं और उसका यूज़ करके रेस्पिरेशन करते हैं।